So we're in the final 2 months left for the year. This is the best time for most businesses to make the most money. So are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? If you haven't been planning, this is the time. There's still some time for you to, last minute crank up all your marketing efforts so that you can make the most sales in your business. Because if you don't make the most sales, you are playing. This is the time for you to make the most sales at the end of the year. Because you have the Thanksgiving coming up, you have the Black Friday, you have the holidays coming up. This is the best time for all businesses to make the most money. So you have to make sure that you are lined up. If you haven't done so, this video is going to help you to give you as a reminder to say, hey, it's time for you to line up your business and get the sales that you need and finish the year strong. Finish the year strong by making more sales. So if you're new to here, welcome. My name is Rudo, and here I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that you don't miss any other videos like this where I share tips and tricks on how to build, market, and scale your online business. So if you're one of those people who are waiting for the last minute to crank up to get ready for the Black Friday sales and the holiday season, you still have time to do that. So the first thing, I'm hoping that by now you have all your inventory ready, because without inventory, you can't sell anything, right? So make sure you have your inventory ready. If you need to FedEx all that inventory to come in really fast, in 5 days shipping, whatever it is going to take you to get those inventory in place, so that you can take advantage of the Black Friday and holiday sales. So there's still time. It's last minute, it's crunch time, but you can still be able to make it. So once you have your inventory, if you have your inventory already, this is the time now to start putting all your marketing efforts into full gear, into full speed. You're going to be 10xing all your efforts in your marketing. So you're going to be, if you're using your social media, make sure you're showing up on all your social media platforms, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, wherever you're going to be showing up. Make sure you're now 10 times your efforts in showing up on those platforms, because you need to be more visible. You need more people to know about your business so that they can come and shop with you. But they cannot know about your business if you're not showing up, right? So make sure if you're creating your content, if you're going through the organic route, make sure you create a lot of content, because you need to be showing up a lot. Don't worry about having to, because I know most time people worry about having to annoy people with showing up so many times, but you're in for a business, right? You're in to make money, so don't worry about those things. So make sure you're creating a lot of content and it's all lined up. You've already scheduled it. If you're using like a content planner, schedule it all out, have it all ready so that you can start pumping all that information out there about your business. And hopefully you've already come up with the offer that you're going to be offering for your Black Friday, right? Whether it's going to be 50% off or buy one get one free, whatever offer you're going to be coming up with, it has to be enticing. Don't be offering people 10% off. No, that's not going to cut it, because on Black Friday, people are looking for those good deals. But make sure that good deal that you're going to be offering is still going to give you some profit in your business, because you don't want to be running at a loss. We want to make profit as well. So make sure you tie in those things in your business. And if you're going to the paid marketing route, hopefully you have a budget for it. You've already planned it out. You've already created your creatives for those advertisements that you're going to be making, whether it's videos or images. Make sure you've already created all those stuff and it's all ready to go. And you've created your copy and you have everything all lined up to run those ads during those Black Friday sales and holidays, so that you can make money and capitalize on that. And don't forget to also with your email marketing. So keep on pumping people through your email marketing, collecting those emails and collecting phone numbers for your text messaging marketing as well, because you need to also utilize that as a form of marketing, right? You have to send your emails. Make sure you have all your emails ready right now and your text messages all ready right now, so that when the Black Friday comes, you'll be sending all those offers through emails and text messages, so that you can make as much money as you can. So you don't want to sleep on this. You don't want to sleep on this time which is coming out, which is the best time for all of our businesses to make the most money in the year and end the year strong. So recap, make sure you have your inventory, you have your content all created if you're going the route of doing organic posting and marketing about your product. You make sure that you have your ads ready, having your creative ready, your copy, and also have tested some audiences already. You know what audience is gonna work, so that you can then scale up all your ads, so that you can easily scale up and make more money with your business. So don't get discouraged if you're still running around doing the last minute thing. I'm one of those people who do last minute thing, but you still have time. So make sure you don't lose hope. Don't lose hope and lose out on making the most sales during this time with the Black Friday and holidays coming up. So let me know down in the comments, are you ready for this last leg of the year to make the best sales in your business? If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. I'm here to help you out. So for now, stay strong, stay positive, continue building the business that you love, and I'll see you next time, guys. Take care. Bye.